The Abuja Division of the Court of Appeal delivered the judgment in the appeal seeking to dismiss the 13th count criminal charge pending against the Senate President, Dr. Bukola Saraki, at the Code of Conduct Tribunal. 2 judges out of the 3-man panel held that the appeal lacked merit. The 3rd judge, however, upheld the appeal on the grounds that the Code of Conduct Tribunal was not a superior court and that the charges before it were not properly filed. The 3-man panel of judges, led by Justice Mo Adume, held that the Code of Conduct Tribunal was properly constituted to try the Senate President. Justices Adume and Muhammad Mustafa also held that the 2-man panel of the Code of Conduct Tribunal was the minimum quorum required according to the Interpretation Act to sit in the judgment on any issue. He said the tribunal did not hear in law to commence trial against Dr. Saraki with 2-man panel. Prosecuting counsel Rotimi Jacobs, SAN, and counsel to the Senate President, Mahmoud Magaji, comment on the ruling of the Court of Appeal.
You say that the tribunal who can order someone to be arrested, who can declare one guilty, is a civil court. It's not a criminal court. So these are kind of advices that have been given. And you see a lot of people giving opinion, even on television or radio, without looking at the law. And we have been vindicated. The judgment is sound.
This is Court of Appeal. We intend to test the veracity of this judgment in the Supreme Court. It is tried in our law that when issues of jurisdictions are pending in the Superior Court, the lower tribunal must wait.
Senator Saraki had challenged the legal propriety of the 3-count charge that was preferred against him by the Federal Ministry of Justice. The appellant court had earlier adjourned its verdict on the matter indefinitely, a situation that forced the Justice Danladi Umar-led tribunal to defer hearing on the case against Dr. Saraki to November 5th to await the outcome of the appeal. The tribunal took the decision to suspend full-blown hearing on the criminal case after Justice Adume, panel of the appeal court on November 21st, postponed its judgment without adducing any reason. Patience Osayemabo reporting.